If you've got kids, you know just how hard it is to keep the car clean. Normally, they're on the way to the park with muddy feet. The easiest way to keep them quiet is to give them something to eat. What better car to showcase kids' dirt than a Vauxhall Zafira, proper family wagon. Come and have a look at some of this dirt. If you'd like the chance to win a G-Technic goodie bag, just get us up to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get there, we'll send out a package of all of this gear to one of you lucky people. So let's have a look at some of the things that we found in this car already. We'll start off with a mould on the door sill, where there's been something that looks like it's gone a bit crusty. We've got a bit of cross on the seat there. Nice bit of old food. We've got general dirt on the floors. We've got in this door pocket over here all sorts of stuff, including mouldy sausage, some more mould. That's lovely. And then around the front, we've also got these stains on the seats, which are going to come up really nice, really satisfying to clean that wheel. We've got unicorn glitter in the centre console, the usual bits of wrappers and stuff. Some more staining on the seats, don't know what that is. And yeah, let's get cracking. The extraction method that you've just seen basically forces water and cleaning solution into the fabric seats and then sucks out all of the dirt with it. This is the amount of dirty water that's come out of the seats after just 2 seats out of the 7. Have a look at how much dirty water's come out. Awesome, just another 5 to go. So we've only had time for the interior on this Zafira today. Given that it was a 7-seater, it needed more love on the inside, so that's what we've given it. We've lifted up these back seats, so all 7 seats have had a good scrub. The floor carpets underneath there, absolutely immaculate again, which is lovely to see. We've also removed all of the remnants of all the food from underneath the belt holders. We've got all of the door cards freshened back up again, nothing left in the door pockets, no remnants of anything in there. And in the front we had a load of glitter, we had all sorts of bits and pieces in there, but it's all completely freshened down again. Good to fight for another 13 years. She's all sweet. Guys, wrap it up, see you next time. It's getting dark, guys, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the vids for plenty more filthy, dirty action.